Herbert's here. So have been super busy with finals and AP tests online. It's just been kind of a nightmare, so I figured I didn't even think I was going to post a video this week till I realized that I have so anyway, a little while ago I got some aluminum foil and I grinded it up. I was going to turn it into aluminum powder, but I never got to it. And yeah, I decided to put it in my element collection, so it's submerged in oil, and this is aluminum. As you can see, I've made videos for all of my elements, except for aluminum and boron. So the boron one, that was when I lost my phone, and I filmed it on an iPad, but it was really difficult to edit the video together, and I think I lost the video altogether, so yeah. I've got all these. So this week I figured I'd just do something really quick on aluminum, and next week I might try to recover the footage for boron, and or if I can't do that, then I'll probably just explain what I did to obtain the boron. So hope you enjoyed, and see you in the next video. This has probably been the easiest element to get. All of the other ones, copper, lead, magnesium, helium, hydrogen, they were all pretty difficult, but yeah.